Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Marut Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and I'm here today to discuss the SSC CGL Tier 1 live test which was conducted over the weekend. Let's see how it was. So far, the level was quite easy only. Logical reasoning section was not very challenging or very difficult. But then the idea is if it is simpler, then it has to be quicker. It has to be faster. So you have to make sure that you are increasing your speed in these examinations if at all you're coming across easy questions. Okay. So let's start the session right away. But before I start, quickly hit the like button, all of you. Like this video right away. And the first and foremost, most important thing is share this video across platforms wherever you are a part of. Let's say a Telegram channel, a WhatsApp channel, anywhere you are a part of. Just share this video so that other aspirants, fellow aspirants can also join this session and can reap full benefits from what the teachers at Oliveboard platform are bringing for them, right? And they can gear up their preparation for the SSC CGL which is coming up. All right. And also subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and do leave your comments because that is actually what makes it more interesting and challenging. Okay, let's start the session right away without any further ado. The first question right in front of you. The position of how many letters will remain unchanged as each of the letters in the word Zephyrus is arranged in alphabetical order. If you arrange them in alphabetical order, E will come first. So then we have 8, then we have 16, 5, 8, 16, then next is 18. And if you see, if you observe from here, 18, 19, 21, 25, 26. From here only you will realize that only one is the one letter is not changing its place, that is P. Other everybody is changing. Next, question 2. This question I would call it a wrong question. I would call it a false question. I'll tell you why. Look at the logic here. The logic which you are getting is 6 square minus 3, that is 33. So technically you would say 8 square minus 3, that is 64 minus 3, 61, which is there. But this is also a logic. 6 square minus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 33. 8 square minus 8 divided by 2. Why not? This will be 60. And unfortunately that is also there in the options. This is never possible. Never possible that two meaningful and logical, patterns will generate two different unique answers which are given in your options. This makes this question absolutely incorrect. So the correct answer is marked to be option 6C, that is 61. But I would rather report this. Let me report it here only. Multiple logics applicable, making both 60 and 61 correct. Okay, submit. Right? You can also do that at your end. If at all you find some question to be doubtful, you can report that question. But be careful that you're respectful about it. Okay? Humans, it is very human to err. And if in case you find an error, just be human about it. Okay, next. Now you just need to check which set of numbers share the same relationship. If you observe what is happening here, this is minus. This is minus 5 plus 15 and divided by 2, isn't it? That's the logic which is happening here. Can we see it anywhere else? Minus 6, minus 4, minus 4, minus 5. Is it? Plus 15, does it work? Yes, and divide by 2. Yes, absolutely. So option A is the correct answer. Next, question number 4. This is very easy. You just need to select which is following the same logic. Now this is letter pair analogy. So this is 7, this is 12 plus 5 and 13, 23 plus 10. That's that simple. So 3, 8 plus 5, but no. 7, 15, no. 11, 21 is only plus 10, and this is 6, 11 plus 5. So option C is the right answer. Next. Silence is coded as 38. What is the code for hospital? Pretty easy, I think. If you add silence, 19, 28, 45, 48, 53, 67. This needs to be thought about. Reverse coding, will it give us the answer? Wait, let me just write it here. So 19, 9, 12, 5, 14, 3, 5, 19, 9, 5, 14, 3, 17. Huh? No, okay. 9, 5, 5. 5, 5, 10, 9, 19. 19 equals 38. Wait, let me check this. This is 15, this is 9, this is 1. 9, 1, 10, 25. 25 into 2 is 50. Yes, that's it. The logic here is that we are just adding the code of the vowels. We are adding the place values of vowels only. So I is 9, E is 5, E is 5. You add them, you will get 19. Multiply that by 2, you will get 38. Similarly, add 15, add 9 and add 1. So this is 25. Multiply by 2, you will get 50 as your correct answer. Option B is the right answer. Chill. Next. Good question, but. What is the code for alpha? And this time they have given cannot be determined. So now we will have to check it out once. Okay. So star alpha beta star alpha. Okay. Star alpha beta is FGH. So G is in the middle, alpha is here. Alpha beta star, so it should be GHF. Okay. Beta star alpha is HFG. Yeah, then we know what is alpha. Code for alpha is G only. Rocket science here. It won't be cannot be determined because the order is changing accordingly. (15 plus 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 5, 3 plus 4, 2 divided by 5, this is 20. So this is 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Option B is the correct answer. Next, 8. Series. Keep giving the answers in the chat box, guys. I think this is it. Into 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 5 into 2 plus 7 into 2. No, this is not working out now. (154 and 43 minus 11). No, I don't think it's right. And then this will give me 286. No, this was not the logic, something else. So this is the first trap in which we will fall. Oh, this is a product of consecutive prime numbers. Great. So this is 2 into 3. If I just write it like this, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So 2 into 3 will give me 6. 3 into 5 will give me 15. 7 into 5 is 35. 7 into 11 is 77. 11 into 13 is 143. 13 into 17 is 221. 17 into 19 is 323. 19 into 23, 7, 437. With unit digit only you will get your answer. Option B is the right answer. Next, good question. 9th. 48 and 7 is 6 is related to 48, 7 is related to 63. 6 plus 6 into 6 plus 2, 7 into 7 plus 2. 12 into 14 will give you your answer. That is 12 square plus 24. That is 120 plus 48. 168. Option C is the right answer. Cool. Next. Yeah, you want me to write it down, or I think it's perfect, right? I'll just write it down for you if in case it is required. So 6 into 6 plus 2. This is what is happening. Either you do it this way or you write 6 square plus twice of 6. 7 into 7 plus 2. So similarly 12 into 12 plus 2. Now 12 plus 2 is 14. So how will you solve it? Either you add 12 square plus 24. That is 144 plus 24. You will get 168. Or what you can do is 12 into 14. So we will do it as 12 into 10, 120 plus 12 into 4, 48. 120 plus 48 will also give you 168. The choice is yours. Next. Question number 10. Embedded figure. No, this is not cutting here. Can you see? This is not cutting here. So this will not be embedded. Okay, we cannot cancel the line. So this will not be it. This rectangle is not completing here. This one is also quite not right. Okay, which one have they accepted then? This is also not there. I think figure 3 will be there somehow. How? Have they mentioned anything about rotation? Yeah, rotation is not allowed. Then I think this only makes sense. I think this makes the most sense then. Figure 1. Isn't it? This only makes the most sense. I think option 1, figure 1 only makes the most sense. Yeah, cool. Question number 10, 11. Red, S, T, G, F, G, E, F. Okay, this one is an easy question actually. Whenever you will see the relationship, you have 3 letters here and 6 letters here. What is the relation? Each letter is coded by a set of 2 letters. Now if you observe, this is 18, this is 19, 20. 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6. Just immediate next 2 letters you have to write. So sit, how will it be coded? So 19, 20, 21. So we will start with TU. TU, option B is the correct answer. That's it. Next, question number 12. Quartzite, sandstone, skyscraper, pumice. Skyscraper is the name of, these are all materials. Skyscraper is a tall building. Okay. 13. Which two signs should be interchanged? Check for the anomaly first. Check for what is wrong. So divide this, you get 4. Multiply this. 192 plus 14 minus 4. Okay, this one is not very much problematic. Yeah. All we need to do is we need to subtract this. So this quantity can be greater. Divide, if we change with multiply, does it make sense? No, I think 6 won't go with 32. This is straight away rejected. Minus and plus, I think this is what we should check now. Will that make sense? So this is 192 minus 14 plus 4. Yeah, makes sense. Plus option B is the right answer. Isn't it? I told you always check for what is wrong. We saw that the multiplication was pretty right, the division was pretty right. Only if we change plus and minus, you could have gotten the correct answer. Next. Paper cutting and folding. Simple symmetry should give you your answer. I think this figure 4 is absolute correct. Oh, sorry. What did I miss? Oh, this one. My bad. Sorry. This one is a more accurate depiction, isn't it? No, this is also not right. Figure 1 is right. Okay. Most symmetrical. Question number 15. Figure 3. Figure 3 completes the pattern. Next, question number 16. Exact mirror image. So, this mirror is placed where? Mirror is the right side. Okay. This arrow will be flipped. It is the same everywhere. This will be flipped this way. This is the same everywhere. What exactly is changing now? Look for what is changing. The triangle is changing. Triangle will be flipped in this way. Black on top, white at bottom. This is gone. Figure 1 is gone. Rest 3 still remain. What else now? What else can we see which is changing? The bottom figure. Bottom figure this will not be possible. Now here what is the difference? Let's check the difference here. That will give us the answer. Rest I think almost everything seems to be correct. This arrow is on the top here. The arrow here, this one is on the top of this line, not coming through this line. So this is also incorrect. Figure 4 is the correct answer. Next, question number 17. Check. $448. This is multiplied by 4 plus 4. 100 into 4, 400 minus 3 into 4, 12 plus 4, 388 plus 4, 392 into 4 plus 4. 88 into 4, 320 plus 32, 352 plus 4. Now this is plus 6. Option D is the right answer. Okay, interesting. Easy, but my god. Cool. Next, question number 18. Syllogism. All bats are birds. Some rats are bats. Some rats are birds. Yes, absolutely right. Some birds are bats. Absolutely correct. All rats are bats. Not possible. Only 1 and 2 follow. Array. This one is pretty easy here. Next. Okay. Some Nikon is Canon. All Canon are Sony. Some Canon is Philips. Some Nikon is Sony. Absolutely right. Some Nikon can be Philips. Absolutely correct. Why not? It can be possibility. No Philips is Sony. No, not at all. So only 1 and 2 follow. Philips and Sony? No. Only 1 and 2 follow. Option A is the correct answer. Next. D 4, 10, 6, 10, 16, 16, 6, 22. So we have Vx as the correct answer. Next, 21. Blood relations. Which of the following relation? H is the husband of I. Okay. So H has to be a male, not a female. So H cannot have plus and into after it. Similarly, I cannot have @ and hash after it. H plus or into, any options? H plus gone, H into no. Anything with I @ I at the rate gone. I hash. No, nothing else. So you have only two options left now. Anything with I and H immediately with each other? No, I don't think so. So let's quickly check this. I plus J means I is the mother of J. J at the rate K means J is the brother of K. And K into H means K is the daughter of H. Yes, this is it. Option A is the right answer. That is how you can quickly isolate and get your answer. Okay. Next, 22. How many meaningful four letter English words can be formed using the third, fourth, fifth and ninth? Third, fourth, fifth, ninth. V-E-R-Y. Very. What else? V-E-R-Y. Do we have any other words for V-E-R-Y? I can remember very. R-E-V-Y, R-E-Y-V. No, I don't think so. Option A is the right answer. Cool. 22, 23. Oh, nice. OPM-B-TE-O PMV OPMVB -TE. This is different. HOPM HOP HOP seems to be constant here. What do you think? I think so, because of the cycle. HOP HOP HOPM HOP dash VB HOP dash DVB, but HOP dash VB is not making sense. HOPM HOP, we can still have it here. HOPM HOPM HOPM. Can we do that? Dash B dash V dash B dash V. Okay, making sense, making sense. HOPM dash V HOPM dash, no, HOPM dash B HOPM V dash HOPM VB HOPM VB HOPM V BRT BRT E HOPM V BRT E HOPM V BRT E. Oh, we got it. Great. So VRHP BEM RHOMT. Option A is the right answer. What is the logic? OPM VBRTEH OPM VBRTEH. So sorry. Okay, next. Sorry. This arrow is just going one step clockwise, okay? And this here is going 2 steps clockwise. So this will come back on the top here. And this arrow will be here. Come back on the top, arrow will be here. Option 3, figure 3 is the right answer. Oops, sorry. Figure 3 is the right answer. Opposite to 4, 2, 6. Not there, okay. 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 3. 3 is opposite to 4. Cool, that's it. 25 questions done. I would say some questions were actually good. Some questions you had to sit down and calculate. So this reasoning section would have become slightly time consuming if you were not well versed with the concepts. Otherwise, the other questions were pretty direct. You could have found out the codes, etc. very quickly and given your answer. So hopefully this discussion is actually giving you some valuable input. The idea is for you to understand that if with explanation I can do it at this time, you can definitely crack it in a much shorter window. So if at all you are having a feeling that reasoning is going to be easy, then your focus has to be on saving time. So that is dynamic. If you see that the section is slightly difficult, then you spend some time there. If you see the section is slightly easier as per your expectation, then you try to cover as much as possible. For more wonderful inputs, we are running the SSC CGL score booster batch for all these students, specifically started on the second week of May. So you can go ahead and check that out on the Oliveboard platform, where you will get exciting discounts right now, and it's a perfect mixture of your revision and practice simultaneously. So you can join this course and reap full benefits with simultaneous practice for both of them. We are also starting the crash course for SSC CGL Tier 1 and Tier 2, a combo crash course, because we know that the aspirants who are going to choose this, they are going to go, get admission in Tier 2. We are very sure about that. So go ahead and check these courses out on the Oliveboard platform and reap full benefits for the discounts which are going on. The seats are limited, so hurry up. Thank you so much for joining live, guys. Bye bye, namaskar, Jai Hind. See you guys tomorrow.